fishing, like the very first time we ever took you out?
Yeah.
Bradley? Like, yeah, about 16, 17 pounds, I remember that. We had to beat you back down to the ground for about a minute.
I remember we took lots of pictures when we got lost.
Yeah, those are the ones that the Shagoffs lost then. Howie, you're right. Fucking asshole. Got the pictures of some kid's birthday party.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, nah, it's not gonna be okay.
Yeah.
These people that got the birthday, that had the birthday, they're gonna have my fishing pictures, and what do they want with my fishing pictures, and what do I want with their birthday pictures? Oh, yeah, it's never, oh, man. I would have sooner had him lose, I don't know what, but, and I get some choice pictures on there. That was from about 2 or 3 fishing trips that was on that roll. That was not a heavy putting at that bait. Showing the before and after, Howie?
I never got shots on it. Never got shots off the back of the boat. Off the back. Now what I really need though is when you guys catch one, you know.